Hi everyone! Welcome back to Human and Nature YouTube channel. Today, we're uncovering the incredible story. The secret life of Javelinas, nature's misunderstood foragers deep in the rugged deserts, dense forests, and sprawling grasslands of the Americas. A mysterious creature roams, the javelina. Often mistaken for wild pigs, these fascinating animals are so much more than meets the eye. From their critical role in the ecosystem to their sometimes contentious relationship with humans, javelinas are nature's misunderstood heroes. Why are javelinas so important to our planet? And why do they sometimes turn aggressive? Stick around as we uncover the true story behind the life of these resilient foragers. The life of javelina pigs, nature's essential foragers in the arid deserts, dense forests, and sprawling grasslands of the Americas. A unique and misunderstood creature thrives, the javelina, also known as the collared peccary. While often mistaken for wild pigs, javelinas are not true pigs, but belong to a distinct family of mammals, Tayaswidae. Their story, rooted in survival and adaptability, offers fascinating insights into their purpose on Earth, their relationship with humans, and the reasons behind their sometimes aggressive behavior. What are javelinas? Javelinas, or peccari tajaku, are medium-sized hoofed mammals that weigh between 35 and 60 pounds and grow up to 3 feet long. They are easily recognized by their coarse, bristly fur, which is often a grayish-black, and a lighter color of fur on their necks. Unlike pigs, their tusks grow downward rather than curving outward, and they possess a musk gland near the base of their tail, which plays a crucial role in communication and marking territory. Javelinas are found from the southwestern United States through Mexico and into Central and South America. Their ability to adapt to a wide range of habitats, including deserts, rainforests, and scrublands, is a testament to their resilience. They thrive in herds or squadrons consisting of 5 to 20 members. These herds are close-knit, operating as a unit for protection, foraging, and raising young. The daily life of a javelinas are crepuscular, meaning they are most active during the cooler hours of dawn and dusk. Their day begins with foraging, where their diet is dictated by their environment. In desert regions, they consume cacti, mesquite beans, and roots, using their strong jaws to chew through tough vegetation. In more forested areas, they feed on fruits, seeds, tubers, and small animals like insects or even carrion when available. Their digestive system is uniquely adapted to their diet. A chambered stomach, similar to that of a cow, allows them to ferment tough plant material, extracting nutrients efficiently. This enables them to survive in environments where food sources are scarce or challenging to consume. After feeding, javelinas retreat to shaded areas to rest and avoid the midday heat. They often wallow in mud or water to cool down, which also helps protect them from parasites. As social creatures, they spend much of their time grooming one another and reinforcing bonds within their herd. Young javelinas, called reds for their reddish-brown fur, are born after a gestation period of about 5 months. They are incredibly vulnerable in their early weeks, relying on their mothers and the protection of the herd to survive predators like coyotes, mountain lions, and jaguars. The purpose of javelinas unearthed javelinas are not just survivors, they are vital contributors to their ecosystems. Seed dispersers, javelinas play a crucial role in seed dispersal. By eating fruits and seeds and then depositing them through their droppings, they help regenerate plant life, promoting biodiversity in their habitats. In desert regions, their consumption of prickly pear cacti aids in the cactus's spread, ensuring it remains a vital resource for other species. Population regulators. By consuming certain plants and fruits, javelinas help prevent overgrowth, maintaining the balance of vegetation in their environment. This benefits other herbivores and ensures a sustainable food supply for all. Soil aeration. Their rooting behavior while searching for food naturally tills the soil, improving its fertility and structure. This small act has far-reaching consequences, supporting plant growth and creating opportunities for other animals to thrive. Prey for predators, javelinas serve as a critical food source for large predators like jaguars, pumas, and coyotes, maintaining the balance of the food chain. Their presence supports the survival of these apex predators, which in turn regulate other species in the ecosystem. The connection between javelinas and humans for centuries, javelinas have held cultural and practical significance for humans, particularly for indigenous peoples of the Americas. Tribes hunted them for food, used their hides for clothing and tools, and incorporated them into folklore. In some legends, javelinas symbolize adaptability, resourcefulness, and community. In modern times, the relationship between humans and javelinas has become more complicated. Urban expansion has pushed into their habitats, leading to frequent encounters. In suburban areas, javelinas are often seen raiding gardens, knocking over trash bins, and even wandering into neighborhoods in search of food. These interactions have made them a source of fascination and frustration. While javelinas can be seen as a nuisance to some, they offer a valuable reminder of the interconnectedness of life. By understanding their behavior and protecting their habitats, humans can coexist with these creatures while benefiting from the ecological services they provide. Why do javelinas attack? Despite their generally shy and non-aggressive nature, javelinas are sometimes known to attack humans, pets, or other animals. This behavior is usually a result of defensive instincts. Javelinas are protective of their herd and will respond aggressively if they perceive a threat. Their sharp tusks and collective strength make them formidable when defending themselves or their young. Poor vision. Javelinas have limited eyesight, relying heavily on their sense of smell and hearing. Sudden movements or surprises can trigger defensive behavior, as they may interpret the approach as an attack. Territorial disputes. Javelinas use their musk glands to mark territory. If they feel their space is being encroached upon, whether by humans, pets, or other animals, they may become hostile to assert dominance. Habituation to humans. In areas where humans feed javelinas or leave food accessible, the animals can lose their natural wariness. This can lead to boldness and aggression when food is not readily provided or when humans try to chase them away. Are javelinas useful creatures? Absolutely. Javelinas are essential to the health and sustainability of their ecosystems. As seed dispersers, population regulators, and soil aerators, they contribute to biodiversity and ecosystem balance. While their interactions with humans can sometimes lead to conflict, their ecological role highlights their importance. A lesson in coexistence civilians are much more than wild pigs. They are survivors, contributors, and symbols of nature's intricate web of life. Their story reflects the importance of biodiversity and the need to respect and preserve the habitats of all creatures. By learning to coexist with javelinas and protecting their environments, humans can ensure these remarkable animals continue to play their vital role in nature. Their resilience and adaptability remind us of the interconnectedness of all living things, a lesson as crucial for humans as it is for the ecosystems they share with javelinas. In the end, the javelina is not just a creature of the wild, it is a living testament to the balance and beauty of the natural world. Javelinas are more than just wild animals, they're essential players in the ecosystems that support life as we know it. By understanding their behavior and respecting their habitats, we can coexist with these fascinating creatures while ensuring their survival. So, the next time you hear about a javelina encounter, remember their story. They're not just surviving, they're contributing to the balance of nature. And there you have it. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the secret life of javelinas. If you found this story as fascinating as I did, don't forget to like, subscribe Human and Nature YouTube channel, and share it with your friends. And let me know in the comments, what do you think about these misunderstood foragers? Until next time, stay curious and stay kind to nature.